Check, check, check. Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, this is Nola Gospel with the Beretta PX4 Storm Compact in 40 Smith & Wesson. Once again, we are clear and safe. Nothing in the magwell, nothing in the chamber. The wife is safely upstairs with the cats. There's no ammo in the room here. I'm downstairs by myself right now. The Beretta PX4 Storm Compact in 40 Smith & Wesson. So I saw this gun, the same gun at a gun show a while back, and I'm like, I'm not paying that. And then recently I saw it in a pawn shop, and I'm like, yeah, that's a good deal. I'll take it. So yeah, this is a sweet gun. Hard to do this left-handed. There you go. Okay, single action. Even a double action trigger's not bad. Okay, they got a safety decocker on the side here. You know, so if I'm in the cock position here, I could just decock it. See? You could also kind of half, okay, I'm on safe now. Kind of half cock the trigger back and carry it like that. It's not going to go off unless you press the trigger. So it's really not that bad. Really smooth shooter, famous for its rotating barrel design. There you go. Nice. Oh, sweet. Rotating barrel. So, yeah, you could also order, this is crazy, you could order the Langdon Tactical version of this gun here. And let me get my phone out here. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, you can get a trigger job on this guy here. You know, you could get a, they could mount an optic, cut the slide for an optic if you want. And this right here, Beretta PX4 compact carry with LTT trigger job, 1097 to 2142. It's a handgun. Okay, the trigger's nice enough. You don't really need an optic. I might get some night sights in this thing, you know. Sights are pretty decent though, but I like night sights. And look at this. This is really crazy. Let me find this. Okay, Ernest Langdon's 2026 PX4 Blackout, 2150 to 2655. What? It's a handgun. Okay, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It works. Okay, it's fine. Okay, jeez, that is just absolutely insane for a handgun. It's a handgun. one-handed.